How to comment photo in TikTok 2024. TikTok has just announced the new feature of commenting photo in TikTok. So let's get started. Firstly, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your TikTok account. Make sure you find the video you want to comment photo in. Then tap on the comments option available there. So basically, here I want to reply someone. So let's tap on the reply option available right below the comments. Then you can see the video icon available in the left side. Tap on it. Now you can simply tap on the photos option available in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then simply choose the photo you want to comment to. Then tap on the next option available in the bottom. After you tap on the next option, you'll be navigated to the page where you can write comments right above the photo. Here, simply write down the comments or any hashtags you want to use. Then tap on the post option available there, and your photo will be commented on the TikTok post. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.